Hi there, it's me, Job Daniel Martin M. Solarde, and today we will do an experiment. The name of this experiment is sound waves. The objective of this experiment is to investigate the production of sound waves in several mediums. So the supplies we are going to need are 8 test tubes. We used soda pop bottles, test tube holder, we don't have, tuning fork, and a bowl of water.
Practicing.
What we're going to do here, we will add water to 8 test tubes or soda pop bottles. Try to add water to the test tubes or bottles in the same proportions as shown in the illustration below. Practice blowing over the bottles in sequence. Note that the sounds are produced by forcing the air into the tubes to vibrate. The difference in pitch is due to the different volumes of air in the test tubes or bottles. See if you can produce the 8 notes in the octave as shown in the illustration above. Using the end of the metal tuning fork, gently tap on the edge or sides of the test tube. Know if different sounds are produced with each test tube or bottle. After that, gently strike the tuning fork against something solid to start it vibrating. Then touch the end of the tuning fork handle on a wooden or metal disc. Note the observations. We then strike the tuning fork again and place it in the bowl of water as shown in the illustration below. Strike the tuning fork again. Gently hold it near your ear. Caution! Do not touch the tuning fork to your head or ear. You could get a headache or an earache as a result. Listen for any sound. Thank you. Now, we are going to blow into the bottles. Now we will do the procedure where we will tap the sides of the bottle using the end of this tuning fork and observe. Did you notice the change in the sound when I tap each bottle? This is because the lower the air volume inside the bottle, the higher the pitch that we can hear. Now, we will tap the tuning fork onto our hard table. And I will listen for the sound. The sound of this tuning fork is do. This is a tuning fork. Below the tuning fork, you can see a letter C. This letter C means that this tuning fork produces a pitch, do. Do you want to hear the sound, the pitch, do?
Yes.
I will strike this tuning fork on the table. However, you cannot hear the sound of the do. What I will do is I will use a guitar to amplify the sound. Do you hear that? Now, listen to this. Are do they sound the same? They
Yes.
should. Because the one I played earlier was a C of the guitar. We will put this tuning fork into the liquid while it's vibrating. Lastly, I will tap this tuning fork on the table and listen to it. I will be careful not to put it in my head or my ear. The sound of this tuning fork is like the sound that I heard in the guitar. Thank you.